My pain started all over. Getting up in the morning was the hardest. When you got to take a rope and lasso your bedpost and have a rope there with knots in it to help pull yourself up out of bed. Things are getting pretty bad. I'm only 52 years old. How'd I get like this? The whole right side of my muscle on the right side of my back was starting to inflame and bulge out. And that increasingly kept on getting worse. And I was seeing doctors. I went to at least 6, 7. 2, 3 of them wouldn't even touch me. One of them kind of really scared me. He walked in and he looked at it and he goes, what do you want me to do with this? I had a friend that's here with me now, Randy. He made a comment and said, look, you know what? My girlfriend had a couple of people in her hometown that went down to this place down in Florida. It's a minimum invasive surgery. They called me back a couple of days later and they said, look, we think we can help you out. Dr. Nowak called me up and he goes, buddy, you definitely got a deal going on here. From what we see so far, you're pretty much collapsed on the right side. You're bone on bone. That went down to this place down in Florida. They probably took 12 to 15 x-rays from every angle. They wanted to know exactly what they were dealing with, and that made me feel good. The anesthesiologist would come in and introduce himself, get an IV started, and he's got the instruments in there before you even know it. And it was cool, they had a screen there, and I could give them feedback. I was still aware of what was going on.
No pain now?
No.
Okay, feels good?
Yep.
Okay, all right.
My pain level of the day is nothing. My body's waking up again. I can feel these like electric shocks going through my leg and getting feeling back in my leg and my foot I haven't had in 1.5 years, 2 years. I'm looking forward to getting out of here and being able to walk halfway decent and not look like an 80, 90-year-old man. I'm looking forward to being able to get up. I'm looking forward to being able to maybe get some sleep. I feel like I'm getting my life back.